Look at this amazing funfair. Everything looks so big and bright today. We have plenty of time to try every single ride here.
Stay close together, children, because this park is very crowded today.
That giant Ferris wheel is the biggest ride in the entire park.
I want to sit in the very highest cabin on the wheel. Come on, Lucas. The ride operator is waving us inside now. We can sit on the blue bench.
Step up very carefully onto the platform and watch your feet.
Everyone must buckle their safety belts before the wheel starts moving.
Look out the window. Everything looks so small down there. We are moving now. The people look like tiny little ants.
The roller coaster looks so small from this great height up here.
This ride offers a perfect view of the entire local city.
I can see the big blue lake behind the green hills.
See the big birds flying past our window right now. We are almost at the very top of the Ferris wheel. The metal gears above us are making a very loud noise.
The wheel is stopping now. We must be at the apex.
We are stopping so new passengers can get on below us.
I can see the ice cream shop from up here, Mom. The machine below is completely still. No one is moving around.
That is strange. The engine noise has completely stopped now.
The big red wheel is sleepy. It is not spinning.
The lights on the main Funfair stage have gone dark.
Why are we sitting up here for such a long time?
We have been stuck here for 15 minutes without moving.
The main power system in the Funfair has failed completely.
The wind is starting to make our cabin shake back and forth.
Look down there. The big trucks are making loud noises.
Do not worry, Lucas. The park workers will help us down.
There is absolutely no phone signal up here at the top.
The emergency battery on my phone is completely dead as well.
I am very hungry. I want to eat dinner now.
We only have one small bottle of water left for everyone.
We must save this water for baby Toby because he needs it.
The emergency brake system looks very rusty and unsafe right now.
If that brake slips, our cabin will tilt forward too much.
The cabin is moving sideways. We are going to fall down. Hold my hand tightly, Lucas. The steel structure is strong.
Look below. The engineers are bringing out a large yellow ladder.
That ladder is much too short to reach our high position.
Look at the bright white light shining on my face, Mom. They are waving their flashlights at us. What do they want?
They are trying to give us an important safety signal now.
I can hear the worker shouting through his megaphone down there.
He says the main gear is completely jammed with iron rust.
Does that mean we are stuck here all night long?
We can use this shiny silver blanket to reflect their light.
This will show them that we are safe and listening closely.
They see our silver light. They are waving back now.
A huge emergency rescue crane has just entered the Funfair.
Good boy, Toby. The big rescue crane is here now.
Look at the giant metal arm coming up to get us. The rusty main gear is slipping because of the wind. The rescue bucket is right outside our main door now.
The door is open. Stay back until I secure it.
Take baby Toby first. Keep him safe in the bucket.
I am flying high, like a bird in the bucket.
I am stepping into the rescue bucket very carefully now.
I am inside the bucket, next to Lucas and Toby.
You kids were so brave up there in the dark.
Everyone is out of the cabin. Let us go down.
We are descending very smoothly to the solid green grass.
Look at all the nice people waving at us down there. We are almost safe on the ground, my sweet boy.
Thank you for bringing this big crane to rescue us.
Green grass is here. No more high, scary wheel. Ah! I love the solid ground. It feels so good today. Our crazy Funfair adventure is finally over. We are safe. Phew.
Let us find a nice bench to sit down together.
It feels wonderful to sit in a quiet place now.
This fresh red apple tastes so sweet after our wait.
It certainly does, Lucas.
The main exit gate is right around this next corner.
Look at the tiny glowing bug flying in the air.
Our big blue family car is parked right over there.
We handled that difficult emergency situation like a real team.
Next time, I will be ready for any big adventure.
The real stars are much prettier than the Funfair lights.
Climb into your comfortable car seats and get warm now.
Time to go sleep inside the big blue car. I am very glad we are going home to bed.
All the sweet children are safe and sound back here.
We are finally back at our safe home base station.
Let us carry baby Toby straight to his warm crib.
Good night, Big Wheel. Good night, Scary Funfair Park.
My own bed feels much safer than a Ferris wheel.
We learned that staying calm helps solve every single problem.
The children are all tucked in and sleeping peacefully tonight.
Safety guidelines and quick thinking kept our entire family secure.
Go to sleep now, Lucas. Tomorrow is a brand new day.
Together as one strong family, we can face any big challenge.